That's there we go. We got losers round 4, Misfire.
Yep.
Doubles.
Yep.
Frost and Vendetta versus a Furry and Conrad.
Lycos. that's Lycos in disguise.
Yes, as a Furry. Oh, he's got the O tag.
Wow. Oh, I feel bad because I deleted that off of another setup because I thought it was at the bottom. Oh no. Oh no. I'm a bad person.
You are a bad person. I don't want to bring it out there, but you're a bad person. So
that's okay. Let's go, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting one. So we got Link and Fox for Conrad, call him Furry.
Link.
So for against Frost and Vendetta, who are doing the old Mario Ryu. Saw that earlier in the tournament. So
so Frost and Vendetta, these guys are both icy as hell.
Yes.
Like they always come through with the dopest clothes, right?
Oh, absolutely. They dress for success.
They dress very well. They're two very well dressed young men.
Goodness. Okay. Vendetta could have had a ridiculous combo. Didn't exactly get it though. Not all of it. So hot start though.
Yeah.
Both teams.
Yeah. Spicy start.
Yeah.
Which makes sense because he is playing the Fireball Mario.
Yes, of course.
My personal favorite Mario skin besides America is the Fireball one.
Yeah. America's a really good one though. I'll put that top tier.
Yeah. Well, so would most Americans.
Yes, yes. Ooh, okay. Vendetta. Wow.
Oh, yeah, he had the bomb. He's not dead.
Okay. So, Frost looking to end somebody in Conrad's life right there. Up smash coming through.
Oh, my God, a twofer.
Sending them both out of here.
Yeah, the 2-for-1 and the taunt, too.
You got a taunt.
Your boy had the 2-for-1 coupon. They're like, we don't accept those here. And he said, let me see your damn manager.
Man, that was brutal. And that's going to give Red Team a lead here. We'll see for how long. I mean, yep, that back air doesn't do it. Wow.
Yeah. Dude, Ryu is basically made out of tree trunks.
Of course, yes.
Like, dude is thick.
He's dense as the up tilt takes him out there as Conrad takes his stock away. And the up B does not take Frost stock, though. Conrad looking to just take lives right now. Ooh, another double.
Twofer. Another one.
Oh, it just kicks him right in the groin while he's at it. It's brutal. Kind of unnecessary. Oh! Wow. Vendetta is out here.
He's my God.
Shoryus for everyone.
Dude, he's just tossing them up there. You get a Shoryu. You get a Shoryu. Oh, all right. Fairfoot still not killing.
All right, so... Oh my goodness, Vendetta's just putting on all the damage. Frost is watching like, wow, you're doing pretty good.
What is Frost even doing
You're
here?
doing pretty good.
He's like, hey, you're doing a great job, buddy. He's supervising. That's what he's doing.
Yes.
Listen, he's got a white hard hat.
This is a union job. He's dead.
Holy Christ.
Wow.
Bro.
Vendetta doesn't care about your feelings, doesn't care about
We're barely into this game.
Yeah.
Like, the game is still young, and already Conrad is just...
A lone Link.
Yeah, poor Conrad. Well, I mean, Link's used to being alone.
Yeah, that's true.
Except for when Navi was out there.
Yeah.
I mean, Breath of the Wild, you didn't really have anything.
Yeah, I guess not. I mean, I guess a horse sometimes, if you're...
my horse died.
And I think he's dead. He's dead.
Yeah, he's super dead.
So, Frost and Vendetta.
Wow.
Or should I just say Vendetta featuring Frost?
Yeah, Frost is definitely the featured artist on this one. Frost maybe no, I wouldn't even put him as a feature. Frost got some ad-libs, but Vendetta did all the verses and the hook.
It was brutal. That was...
it was disgusting.
He threw out so many Shoryus. So many focuses.
Just a bunch.
Yeah.
A gaggle of Shoryus.
And now we're going into game 2 here on, oh my God, he got another focus here on Battlefield right now. Blue team's looking a bit in shambles. They got to get something started.
Dude, after getting rocked like that, you telling me you could just come back and be like, all right.
Yeah, I guess you're right. It's tough. It's not easy by any means. So, focuses, gets hit by the bomb though. I'm just spotlighting Vendetta. You know how they have like the camera spotlight?
Yeah. Oh, he's dead.
Speaking of spotlight.
Okay, Conrad.
Conrad putting the spotlight on him.
Okay, Link.
And then yet another Shoryu. Oh.
Yeah, this is just Shoryu the movie, I guess.
Yeah, it's pretty brutal. All right, so Conrad using the bomb, not gonna get him back safely as he's gonna lose that stock. Frost took that one. Look at that. Oh. So Vendetta was looking for the focus spike right there from the air. So Conrad recovering with down air. He's going to get grabbed, back throw, trying to make it back. Nice little recovery, nice little save by by the Furry, I guess. Should we call him Furry? Should we call him?
We'll call him whatever.
Okay, we'll call him Furry. So
we'll call him Furry, we'll call him Lycos, we'll call him...
whatever he wants to be called.
Oh, and another one!
Okay, he's like, you got Shoryus? I got spikes.
Yo.
Get out of here.
Don't Tatsu. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, you need to stop that.
He Shoryu'd out of that combo. That's got to be frustrating.
Honestly, if I'm Conrad, I'm feeling pretty good right now. The guy that was saucing me up last game, I spiked him twice.
Yeah.
I'm feeling myself a little bit there. I
will say, because they're going so far after Vendetta, Frost has been able to survive for a while, so he is stock tanking very well. Oh, wow, he didn't get the focus off. He got hit by the multi-jab. He was in perfect position to hit it, too. That's really unfortunate. So, ooh, I thought he was going to spike him after the air dodge. No bomb from Conrad, so I think he's dead. Yeah.
Yeah.
So blue team both on their last stock.
This is definitely a better showing than last time, but
yeah.
Oh,
okay.
All right,
down
Frost.
Doesn't send
Frost was feeling a little froggy there with that fair.
Yeah.
That's a big ass hitbox on Dare though.
It is.
My goodness.
And it lasts for a while.
He was almost on top of him when he tried to go for that fair.
Oh my goodness! He gets the spike. He's gonna make it back, but wow. Okay, another down air this time. Doesn't get the spike.
Conrad with these edge guards here.
Conrad makes it back, looking for another down air. Gonna get punished with a little up air. From he rolled and he's dead.
Yeah, he's super dead there.
And really smart move from Furry right there, just not going in. Right, you know what I mean? Like he was like, he's gonna shore you. If I get hit by that, it's over. Right? So he's like, we gotta just let you go. All right. So we have red team looking to finish this one off here. The drag gets the full fair.
Furry's trying his best here.
Yeah, he got a full fair.
Definitely not giving up.
Well, he probably just gonna run in and shore you.
He needs, like, listen, all he needs is an up smash to kill
Vendetta.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're down to one each because you know he's gonna steal it. I mean, ooh, but all we need is an up tilt.
Okay.
Really, he could have shore you'd. I think he could have ended this a while ago. Oh.
Yeah, there we go. All right, so a spicy 2-0 there from Frost and Vendetta.
Yeah, they looked confident. They looked great. And they're going to take that handily.
They just, when I say they took stocks, I mean they took stocks. Like, whew.
Wow.
Goddamn.